Hi everyone, I'm ThioTech. Today, we're going to see the vulnerabilities in Windows by going over the Patch Tuesday vulnerabilities. Let's start. First, today is Microsoft's January 2021 Patch Tuesday, and it is the first Microsoft security update release in 2021, so please be very nice to your Windows administrators today. With the January 2021 Patch Tuesday security updates release, Microsoft has released fixes for 83 vulnerabilities, with 10 classified as critical and 73 as important. Microsoft states that they have fixed a zero-day Microsoft Defender remote code execution vulnerability with a CVE of CVE 2021-1647. Microsoft also patched a publicly disclosed Microsoft Exploit 64 elevation of privilege vulnerability tracked as CVE 2021-1648. Google Project Zero previously disclosed this vulnerability in September 2020 under CVE 2020-0986. This month, a free patch for privilege escalation vulnerability in sysinternals PSExec utility was released by the Zero Patch service. Next, PSExec is a free Microsoft sysinternals tool that allows system administrators to execute programs on remote systems. While it is not bundled with Windows, it is commonly utilized by admins in enterprise software to launch programs remotely, start updates, or perform other administrative tasks. As it is a common program to found in enterprise environments, this vulnerability could allow attackers to elevate privileges. Microsoft has not released an official patch for this vulnerability. If you aren't on Twitter and haven't seen ThioMedia_Daily's tweet, then you probably don't know about the vulnerability in the NTFS file system. If you are on Twitter and haven't followed ThioMedia Daily News, follow it. The link is on the screen. That's all for today's video, so pick a video here and subscribe. Like the video if you like, dislike if you don't like. Bye.